Assalamu alaikum, bonjour mes amis. Welcome to my channel AAM-Tech. Hope all is well with you. Today is another exciting French lesson, but before starting it, let me explain why we began our journey with sounds. Sounds of alphabets in French make it a challenging language to learn. Those who begin studying this language find it confusing due to its deceptive nature. So we should be aware of the latter sounds. Here you see a scene in a bakery with a saleswoman and a man who is maybe from the English speaking country. He asks her for one bucket. So he has no idea about reading and writing of French language doesn't align. So he asks, un baguette, s'il veut play. Actually, he wants a baguette with a requesting manner, s'il vous plaît. So that's the reason as reading and writing in French language, it doesn't align. So for that, to cope up with this problem, we should learn first sounds, how they pronounce, how they sounds when they are used in the word. So let's check out our today's lesson, which is about R. R in French we say air, air. Tip of the tongue pressing against the lower front teeth, here you see, and the back of the tongue close to the mouth top with the vibration. Air, air. So let's start. Words that start with air and words that sounds air. Air comme radio, air comme rouge, that is the color, name of the color, red color, rouge, air comme rat, red, in English we say red. So here we have roi, king, roi, then reine, queen, robe, rock, and what comes next? Erkin, requin, shark, erkin, renard, erkin, reine. Then we have erkin, rose, color pink color. Then erkin, rivière, river. Then we have erkin, room, flou. In English we say flou. In French we say room. Then erken, réveil, alarm clock, raisin, grapes. Then erken, repas, that is the meal. Then say rasoir. So let's start with the sounds. Air. Today we are going to see another thing, which is the how to present yourself. So with the French sentences, two sentences, small sentences. So let us see the how you present yourself. Here's the three characters in the scene: Lily, Taoki, and Hugo. Let's start with the French sentences. Bonjour, je m'appelle Lily. J'ai 6 ans. In English, what we say? Hello, I am Lily. I am 6 years old. Okay, then let's go. Taoki. Bonjour, je suis Taoki, j'ai 3 ans. Then Hugo. Bonjour, je m'appelle Hugo, j'ai 6 ans. Okay, now what you will do, you just practice it with the greeting. Bonjour. Afterwards, je m'appelle this. Afterwards, j'ai. How old are you? You're going to express that. J'ai 16 ans, j'ai 15 ans, something like that. We'll do the lecture in numbers as well. Okay. Now, for the moment, let's see today's scene. So, let's start with the French. Explain this scene. Now, cette scène se déroule dans la cuisine. Il déroule où? Dans la cuisine. In the kitchen. Chez les parents de Lily. Car cheveux de maman est la même couleur Lily. La même couleur. Qui est dans la scène? Oui, les parents, maman et papa de Lily, frère de Lily et Taoki, Hugo, le petit oiseau dans la cage. Il s'appelle Ara. Il ressemble à un perroquet. Oui. Que font-ils? What are they doing? Ils sont en train de manger et Lily cuisine son ami Taoki à des parents. Taoki ensemble quoi? Il semble intimidé. Il a un petit peu peur. Il est timide. Taoki est timide. Surpris, un dragon dans la cuisine avec des vêtements, vêtements humains. Maintenant, les parents, comment sont-ils? Comment sont-ils? Ils sont à la fois étonnés, surprise, et contents. Oui, happy also. Que fait le hara? Il rigole. Il est en train de se moquer. Il est moqué. Et maintenant, donc pour vous, cherchez les mots où le son R. Cherchez les mots que le son R. C'est premier. Quoi ça? Radis. Quoi? Radis. Then we have tabouret, stool. Then fourchette. Then maman, Lily, bien, verre, un verre. So you'll find the other words as well, like frigo and something like that in French. So, dis si tu entends le son R, râteau, râteau. Est-ce que tu entends le son R, râteau? Then, chaise, chaise. Robot, robot. Arrosoir, plume, rat, ballon, cartable. Ok. Si tu entends le son R, râteau, oui. Chaise, non. Robot, oui. Arrosoir, oui. Plume, non. Rat, oui. Rat, oui. Football, non. Ballon. Cartable, cartable, oui. So next is the exercise for you. Relie les fruits à la corbeille. Quand tu entends R, put all the fruit that sounds R. You know, what's that? For example, abricot, abricot. You just put it in the basket. Okay, just do the exercise with the others as well. Just search the name of the fruit in French. Afterwards, pronunciation, see the pronunciation, and afterwards put that fruit in the basket. So next time, what we'll see the letter L. Words that start with L and the words that sounds L. Merci beaucoup for joining me today, mes amis. Your dedication to learn French language is truly inspiring. Keep practicing words. Soon you'll be able to understand and speak French language. A bientôt. Allah Hafiz. Have a good day.